promises of God. There is a promise of God. There is a promise of God. And I'm hearing that God has not forgotten that the season of manifestation has come. In the name of Jesus Christ. I pray for you that may this thing become the body of your children. How many do you have? 3. How many girls? 2 girls, 1 boy. Where's your first daughter? She's in school. Yeah. And the second?
She's still in high school.
Is still in high school.
Yeah.
God doing something in your family. God is doing something among your children. You will see it. You will see it. You have been. Your whole life is like this one's. Receive divine grace. Jesus.